What's up, everybody? Scott here. Wanted to show you this Bambu Labs A1 Mini with the AMS Lite automatic feed system for using 4 different colors of spool of filament that I got to be able to 3D print objects. So this is my first time 3D printing. Highly recommend this. Been super easy so far via the mobile app and using the on-screen commands and everything. Just follow the instructions, watch some YouTube videos that they recommend through QR codes. But here's some of the first few prints that I printed. There's a scraper there for the plate, and then this is to hold to catch the scraps, along with a deflector there. Super simple to do through the app, sending it through the app. It is about now to print a spool adapter because some of the filament spools I got are a little too wide to fit on here. But there is one spool using the external spool, which it's pretty easy to load on that through the way this is designed. But definitely highly recommend this if you are a beginner to 3D printing. So as you can see right there, starting to print the first few layers on it. That light right there is actually a camera that shows time-lapse video of your print, so you can actually watch your print being printed through time-lapse. And you can see it in the app. I'll probably do a follow-up video at some point of the application, what it shows you when the 3D print is being printed on here. And then this tells you right here like how many layers it's got left, what percentage it's at, and the time. So it's got 41 minutes left for that object that it's printing. You can turn on and off the light there. So see, the light's off now for the camera. That is the camera right next to the light that you can see a little bit right there. So just a really awesome beginner 3D printer that I highly recommend, that I've loved so far in the very short time that I've used it.